Welcome everyone to a third unboxing of the Mystery Marvel unboxings. These figures, I love them. They're cute and whatever. If you're seeing this video and you haven't seen my two other videos, I did two other unboxings of these kinds and also Guardians of the Galaxy. I'll put the links in the description below. But today I'll be unboxing 4 of them for part 3. I should have taken 3, just, you know, to be with the numbers, whatever. So let's start with the first one. I'm not gonna talk about it too much. I just like collecting stuff. My previous characters that I took, I'm not gonna say what I have because if you haven't seen that video yet, you should. You should. Package poo-poo sack. Is every time I think of the sack that you just pick up the poop of your dog. And this is a new one. Oh yeah, it's a Silver Surfer. Look at that bad boy. It really looks cool too. It really looks cool. It's nice and silvery. Next. The unboxing has to happen in front of the camera, well, it's not an unboxing if you can't see it happening. Another poo-poo sack. Which one is it? I don't want to have duplicates because I have already 3. That's my 4th one. This is my 5th. And oh yeah, another new one. It's little Spider-Man. Focus. Yeah. Look at that butt. It's little Spider-Man. It's good. I already have 2 that I didn't have. Silver Surfer is not even on the box. Spider-Man, where's, oh, he is. Silver Surfer is 224 and Spider-Man is a 224, so they're not rare. Rare? I don't like that word. Rare. It's like I'm growing rare. Never mind. Unboxing on thing. Poo-poo sack. Don't be plastic. It's another other one. Dr. Doom. His head is a little bit. It's like, I have a cramp in my neck. This look cool. High five. This little cape looks cool. What I like about these is that they're not really that sophisticated, but they still look pretty cool and cute. I do love Bobbleheads too. And now the last one. The last one. It's gonna be a duplicate. Just to annoy me. Guess what it is? I have another Loki. This is my 2nd Loki. Well, I know someone that I can give to because she likes Loki and it's my girlfriend. So that'll be a present for her then, because I have 2 of them. So that's too bad, I have 2 of them. That sucks. Of course he's the troll, the god of poopiness. So these are the 4 I got today. I'm really happy, except that I got double of this Loki here. So get the fuck away. So Dr. Doom looks really doomy. Spider-Man always looks red. And Silver Surfer, well, he's still silver. I do like him the most here. So thanks for watching everyone, and if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more of me unboxing this kind of guy here, check out my other videos. There will be in the description. Also have Guardians of the Galaxy mini unboxings, so you can always check those out on my channel. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.